Your new Momentum 5 wireless headphones have everything you need for jaw-dropping Sennheiser sound. This quick start video will get them set up and connected to your smartphone. It's nice and easy. Inside the packaging is this protective travel case with your headphones. We also include a charging cable and an analog audio cable for in-flight and wired listening. The right ear cup is a touch surface for controlling volume, noise canceling, and more. This button does everything else. You can control every function from your smartphone as well. First, let's charge them up. While charging, download the Sennheiser Smart Control Plus app. You need it to get any important updates or features we have added, and it makes customizing the headphones easy work. Okay, we are all charged up. Now, follow these steps in order to start listening. Your new headphones will automatically search for an audio source. See that? If your smartphone is set up for Google Fast Pair, you can follow the on-screen prompts. Otherwise, go to your Bluetooth settings and look for Momentum 5. Connecting additional devices later is simple. Just press and hold that button until the LEDs chase and repeat the last step. Now open Smart Control Plus and apply the suggested updates. Easy. Out of the box, Momentum 5 sounds rich with punchy bass and noise canceling activated. Put them on, adjust the headband, and give them a press to get a good, comfy seal. That provides the best sound and noise canceling, which we can customize later. The touch controls are very simple. Slide up and down for volume, tap once to start or stop playback, tap twice to hear the world around you, and again to shut it out. Pinch in or out to fine-tune the amount of ambient awareness, and swipe forward or back to navigate your playlist. In the app is a full list of gestures, and you can disable the touch controls if you would rather do it all from your phone screen. When you're done, just place them in the case. They will turn off automatically. Or use a 3-second press of the button. The entire experience can be customized in the Smart Control Plus app. Here, you can customize the house sound with presets, our 8-band EQ, or sound personalization. All you need is a finger. For next level audio, toggle high resolution sound and or spatial audio with head tracking. If your content and device supports them, you can get even closer to your music, movies, and sports. All of Momentum 5's smart features can be personalized. Multipoint switching, on-head detection, power saving, even how they behave when you get to your favorite places. We set them up for the most common usage by default, but we encourage you to try them all to see what fits your lifestyle best. The choice is yours. And just like that, you are ready to press play. If you have any questions about Momentum 5 Wireless, let us know. Stay tuned for additional videos about these powerful headphones, and happy listening.